Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Just currently watching Casey's latest vlog. I'm also got to do an unboxing today. Leave in the comments what you think it could be. So I'm looking at it right now, but he'll do the unboxing later on because we've got so much stuff to do today because it's Claire's birthday. And you know, we've got to go to the doctors to hand in the medical report from Turkey to Amy's doctor. Then we're going to see her nan. We're going to the club. Then we do got lots of stuff to do today. So I don't know how long the vlog will be. So yeah, should be good. Been to Amy's doctors to update her doctor on everything that's happening Turkey, and she was, I don't know, she was really surprised at what it was. I don't think she's ever really seen it.
It's because it's normally in one leg, I think, rather than both. But
yeah, and there was the medical report was in English, but then she was like, "Oh, let's see the blood test form." She see the blood test form. She was like, "Okay, we have to translate that because it's all in Turkish." But Amy is pretty much the rash is still pretty much covered up, but the doctor said stay on the safe side, complete the antibiotics, complete the cream, and yeah. But now we're going to Tesco to get me some tattoo cream because I've not creamed it since I've had it done, which is about 2 days ago. So I thought we need to do that, and then we're gonna get some drinks and then some petrol, and then go visit everybody. So, well, I've not filmed on this phone in a fucking long ass time, but I did just do it on here, but my phone, my iPhone X, but because this being knobhead, remote control is being an arsehole. Right, basically, I went and bought myself a drone. It's this. 1 minute, let me just turn the power off whilst I explain to you what it is. So this little drone here, it's got a camera attached to it. For people wanting to know what drone it is a X5 SW-1. Now it says here 4-channel remote control quadcopter. Now this isn't brand new. It is basically, it's head free. It's 360 version, 6 axes, HD cam equipment, 2.4 gigahertz, and Wi-Fi transmission. So what I'm thinking is we'll go on to actually what might be a good idea before. I think this has got landing gear or shit out anyway. If not. By the way, one thing I don't like about this drone already is these, that's still like wing propeller, the propeller protectors. But when you put it, so I'm just gonna put one on for like a demonstration. If I can get it on. Bam. Look. You. Oh. So I'm gonna do it now, but I'm gonna do it anyway without the propeller protectors, but it used to hit it, so anyway, let's get the landing gear sorted. Right? Yes. Goes on pretty easily actually. Well, I say that. Okay, maybe not. Oh. I think it's got these like designated bits where it goes to. So that one would go there. Yep, that one go there. That one goes there. And that one goes there. So there we are. We have a standing drone. So the next clip will be it now outside with the drone. Now I just need to get it connected up. This is a drone. So just give me 1 second. That little spot there is a drone. Just need to get it set up on the phone, and then we'll take. So I crashed it, but it's still. Oh, it's missing an hand in leg. 1 minute. Still need to get used to this drone, so. Still getting too used to it. Thoughts and opinions on the drone. It's gonna take a bit of time for me to get used to it, but I think I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna try and do some good shots on it, like when I've got like enough space around me. So I got it ain't really big enough to do drones. So yeah. Right, ladies and gentlemen, ending today's vlog here. It is currently 7:15 in English time, so it's gonna be 9:15 in Turkish time. My mum and that watches the vlog, so gonna get it uploaded. To the laptop. I've almost lost my voice on like 3 or 4 occasions today, so I want to get it up before I lose my voice completely, which I probably will do tonight. But I'm having my favourite food tonight, which is Chinese, so can't wait for that. But it's got this massive head cold that makes me just want to die in bed for a few days, but I've got work tomorrow, so to get an early night, make sure I'm like well rested for tomorrow work, and Amy starts a new job tomorrow, which is, what was it again? Pharmacy technician, which is like a job she's always wanted to do, so good luck to her. So, and it's literally 5 minutes around the corner, so she can walk, so it's brilliant. Anyways, she wants to do vlog. I hope, I didn't manage to find out yet how to get recording videos from the drone onto my phone, so I'll try and do that as best as possible. But after today's vlog, I don't know when the next one will be up, so it's back to the normal rugged routine of when like the vlog will be up whenever a vlog is up, because obviously work and that. So yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, think on our notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, I'll see you guys whenever daily vlog. Thank you very much, and bye bye from Ilben.